Hey guys, welcome back to the platform. So just kind of wanted to shoot this video on a whim. My daughter, who's holding the camera right now, her and I just got done with a workout. And so I'm going to do kind of my post-workout regimen. It's typically what I do, so I want to kind of share this with you guys. Sorry about the dog in the background. So, pre-workouts, workout supplements in general can be very, very toxic. A lot of artificial sweeteners, a lot of bad sources of protein out there. So I do like to take a pre-workout. I don't take this just when I work out. Also, just to kind of get me focused, I'll take a third of a scoop. But this is like Trace Minerals is the company. This is very, very clean. It's got all your branched chain amino acids. It's got all kinds of good stuff. It's got creatine in it, good source. It's got arginine. It's got your B vitamins. So really, really good to help you get going for your workouts. As far as post-workouts or just even for breakfast, sometimes I'm typically doing intermittent fasting, but when I want to do a shake, the protein that I choose is a bone broth protein. Very, very important because it's got collagen protein in it. We're not getting a lot of collagen protein in our diet because we're eating the muscle of the animals. When we're eating steaks and when we're eating fish and things like that, we're eating mostly the muscle, which doesn't contain collagen fiber. That's where like the soft tissues, the tendons, the ligaments, the soft tissues of the animals where you're gonna get the collagen protein. So that's one reason why homemade bone broth is so beneficial, making it with the bones, because you're gonna get that collagen protein. So this is Ancient Nutrition is the brand. Reach out to me. I can send you a link for this particular product. I can get you a little discount as well. But this is the chocolate flavor. It's really, really good. Even my daughter likes it. Again, it's good for hair, skin, nails. It's good for your gut lining, your gut health. It's good for lean muscle building. I mean, it's just a fantastic product. And the other thing I do is a greens powder. This is a paleo greens from Designs for Health. You guys have ordered supplements from this company. It's just got a lot of different greens. Now, it doesn't have too many different greens, which is important to try to stick to your food allergies. Sometimes it's tough to find greens powders that doesn't have vegetables that you may be allergic to. So again, this is gonna just slam your body with nutrition, with vitamins and minerals and nutrients your body needs to fuel it properly so that we can get that healing process to speed up. And just so we're getting results faster. The more nutrients we put in our body, the better. So guys, hope this video helps. We'll see you soon.